Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we're back with a new Mawaqit tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to calculate prayer times. Let's get started. First, log in to access the My Mawaqits tab. Once you're in, click on the purple Action button and then select Configure. Next, click on Calculation of Prayer Time. As you can see, there are several calculation methods available. Let's start with the calendar method. Below, you'll find the months from January to December. You can select the months you're interested in. There are two ways to fill in the prayer times. Manual entry, fill in each day of the month one by one. You also have the method of CSV File. Create a CSV file using the template provided in the blue box on the right. Then click Pre-fill from CSV File to upload your file, and the system will automatically fill in all the fields. Important: note, all prayer times must be entered in winter time for the entire year. The software will automatically adjust for daylight saving time, summertime, inshallah. You also have the automatic calculation method, where you can configure various parameters such as the calculation method, manual adjustments for the 5 daily prayers. If you want to fix Aisha time at 7 p.m. during winter, simply enter 7 p.m. and save. Additionally, you can copy the configuration from another mosque. For instance, if you select the Grand Mosque of Paris, you can copy its prayer times, save them, and apply them to your mosque. Finally, to review the changes you've made, click on More Details, select a language, and click the Generated link. This will show you the updated prayer times as they would appear on the screen or in the mobile app. Thank you for following this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you again soon at Mawaqit, inshallah.